Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy student learning choices template like the one I've created here today for my core French class. So let's get started. In my Google Doc, I've already turned the page to landscape instead of portrait. I just find that gives me a nice bigger spot to work on. So in order to make the template of the board, I'm going to insert a table. And you're going to choose here how many boxes you want in your grid. I'm going to choose 3 by 3 just to start. But it would help you probably to plan out your learning choices ahead of time to know how many choices you want, what kind of setup, how big do you want the boxes, just to give you an idea of what to start. So once I press enter a couple times, put a few spaces in these, it is starting already to look like my grid. So we're just going to look at this first box here, and I'm going to show you how to put, this is a link to a YouTube story that I want the students to listen to. And this is just a thumbnail, a screenshot that I took of the YouTube video so that the students know they've landed on the right page. So that's what we're going to put in first. So here we are. I'm going to put, this is the title of my activity, Écoute. And then I'm going to insert an image that I've already saved to my computer. This is a screenshot that I did of the YouTube. Here it opens up. I'm just going to select the image that I want. And in it goes. So that's not a link yet, that's just the picture. So the next thing I'm going to write is click here to watch the video. Okay, and what I'm going to do is just go over to my YouTube. There's the page that I actually want them to watch. I'm going to double click and highlight the whole link at the top, all those letters and numbers, and Control C. I'm going to copy that. When I come back to my choice board template, I'm going to highlight where it says click here. That's what I want them to actually click. And I'm going to alt click or right click so that this menu comes up. And if you scroll to the right spot, you'll see the word that says link. So when I click that, it's going to give me a spot that says paste a link. So Control V to paste. There's that link, the same one that was on YouTube, and I'm going to apply. Now you'll know the link has worked. See how the letters are in blue and it's underlined. That's sort of web speak for there's a hyperlink here, something that you can click and go to. And as a student, if I click on that, there's the link. And by clicking that, that will take me to directly to the YouTube page that I want them to watch. The next thing that I want to show you is how to merge boxes. So you might not like the size of the boxes. You might want something that's a little bit bigger. For example, you can see at the bottom here, it says, tell me what activities you did this week and what you learned. I wanted to leave more spot for writing there. Or if I had a couple images, you might want a bigger box. So I can merge any 2 boxes. I can merge these 2. I can merge all 3 if I wanted, down in a column, across in a row, anything you want. So you highlight the boxes that you want to merge. And again, we're going to alt click or right click so you get your menu. Way at the bottom, it says merge the cells. Click. And there you go. The cells that you highlighted are now merged into one box. And now I have extra space when I want to use that there. The last thing that I want to show you is how to write a comment on the side. So you can see on the side of my screen here, I said, for example, so this box here, tell me what activities you did this week and what you learned. I thought, maybe they kind of might not know what they want to write. So, for example, this week I listened to the story it was about. I also played on Duolingo. So if you want to add a note on the side or a comment on the side to help your students navigate, you're just going to highlight the part where you want to add it to. So for example, this right beside écoute here, right? I want to add the comment. And I could say, make sure you listen to the whole video and answer the questions. Comment, and there it is. So the students can see anything that you're trying to direct them to. All right, so that's a really quick way to start a learning choice board. And then this is easy to then blast out to your students through Google Classroom. You've got one document here. You can see on mine on the other side that I put the date so that my students would know which document they're on. And once you've got this template, make a new copy each week, make a new date, and then you can send it out to Google Classroom and make a copy to every student if you'd like, so they can then write or manipulate or put anything into this document, submit it back to you.